Abo. Abo. Abo.
Amen.
Akubra. And then, you just see Yamapi. So today we're going to learn many things. Akubra. What's the brother saying? Inti, and then, you just see Intiakakra. So today we're going to learn some greetings. You just see Bibifa and moi in the normal. We're also going to learn about animals and birds. Afi, and also the song that we sung. And also, you're also going to learn about the song that we sung earlier. Now, the Dikano, Yashasia, Yede Ebe na Shasi. So when we start, we usually start off with a proverb. And with Chimo. It's a word yeah. So if you look at this, what does this look like to you?
A girl eating.
People eating?
Yes.
Those who understand chi should say your response in chi.
They're eating food.
What did he? Why no did he? Why no did he? I'm Oban in the mat. Why no did he? Why no did he? Kwa kase Obatampa. Kase Obatan. Obatampa. Mainka Obatampa. Mainchro. Mainchro. B. A. T. A. T. A. Go Obatampa. Obatampa. Inka. Obatampa. Na. Inka. Na. Pachi. Hindi na. Onim. Obatampa. Na. Onim. Nia. Yes, you can come here for a minute. Ni. Ma. Baby. Itu mereka Obatampa no nim. Nianema bedie. Iti enono. Iti monche. Monzo. Monche. Obatampa. Obianche.
Are they eating?
Aye. Di. Nianema bedie. Four. Enti we ekyerɛ science Obatampa na ne 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 memedi asie ne sɛn ekyerɛ sɛn Obatampa
That's the name of that one,
Aye.
which is eating.
Daddy.
Let me see.
Obatampa.
As you just said, Zoe and Papa Dian. Now, one name said yes, if you say
Unnim.
Unnim, said yes, if you say, we any Papa.
Mo. Why are you? Inti pa as the other side. Mo. Inti obatampa. Obatan. It's the same.
Mother.
Mother. Mo. Obatan. Mother. Pa as the other side. Mo. Na. Onim. Onim. She knows. Onim. Nia. Ni. Ma. Bedi. Iti obatan pa na nim na ni mebedi. Which will be on the apostle. So when you get done writing, it will continue. Kala. Ọmọ yìí kò ní ìwé kankan kò ní ìkọ̀wé.
He doesn't have a notebook to write or a pen. So where it comes.
Tó ní nǹkan.
Oh, okay.
Kala kọ̀ ẹ̀kọ́ ńkọ́.
I will read Bata. Right. Share more in between.
Ó ní bàtà tí mo rà fún. Ó ní àhínnímá tí mo rà fún. Kí ó wá òun láti lọ. Ọbatampa n'onim na ne mabedi. Ọbatampa n'onim na ne mabedi. Manka. Ọbatampa n'onim na ne mabedi. 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 Yẹnkọ. Ọbatampa n'onim na ne mabedi. Ọbatampa n'onim na ne mabedi. Ọbatampa n'onim na ne mabedi. Yẹnkọ. Ọbatampa n'onim na ne mabedi. 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 Now, I see understand. So, what does that mean to you? That a good mother knows what her children will eat.
King. Which one is for you?
see, I see understand. So how do you understand this? I see understand. About Tampano Nini and the It's a proverb, first off.
Yeah. Only a good person would know the right thing to do. Only a good person would know the right thing to do.
Nope.
I think they're saying that like a mother is good because she's very responsible and she knows what to give her children that will be healthy for them.
I idea. Find some now what you're from. Who else has another idea about it? The mother knows what to do for the children. Right. Any other ideas in the back? Don't be quiet. Don't be shy. Mama Fairy. Enti, who said a beno? Ago. Enti a beno if I adriane home. Now, so yeah, adriane. So the proverb is speaking about eating and food, but it's not only speaking about eating and food. If I say adusian, let's also think about education. That all of you have parents. And they know what is good and what is not good. So they make sure that you all are getting a good education. So it's talking literally about food, but when you have a proverb, it means that it can be about more than just what's on the surface. It can also say that the mother or a good parent in general knows the right education, what their children should be wearing, what the children should be doing, what they should be learning as a whole. What you say? You understand? I'll say what you say. That's do you understand? Alright, so you can say I and Tiasia. Or Daddy and Tiasia. What you say? Ani Matiasia. Ani Matiasia. Anka Ani Ani Debbie Debbie Ani Debbie Ani Debbie Ani Debbie Ani Debbie Ani Ani Debbie Ani Debbie Ani Debbie Ani Debbie Mo Matiasia. And then you best here be far and more I won't walk. And more I won't walk. So as part of our vocabulary building, some are new, some are old, but this should be something that's interesting for everyone. The Dikano, Abwa Weno, a Abwa Bang. A Abwa Bang. Jata, a Jata. Master misunderstood, a Abwa Bang. You have to write all this, yes. You have to write all this. It's a Abwa Bang. It is animal which. So what kind of animal is it? A Abwa Bang. It's a Mayanka. A Abwa Bang. A Abwa Bang. Now, woman, my work as a Jata. Mayanka, a Jata. A Jata. Mayang bom sa Jata. Oh. Bom sa Jata. What do you mean? Mo ayah one of me bom sa Jata. Find you. Oh. Hai sana Jata bubum. It's my process. Ano yung Jata? When so Aya Wabang. Nanchinini. 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 Maika. Nanchinini. 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 Inti Jata Chi Nanchinini and I say Nanchinini Chi Jata. Does the lion capture the bull or does the bull capture the lion? Ah, Jata Chi. Chi. Maika. Jata Chi Nanchinini.
Yeah. That's all I'm saying.
Chi. Jata Chi Nanchinini. Chi. Nanchibre. 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 Hey, Abuabe. Mo, I idea. Nanchibre. Why not to me yet? Did they are? Why not to me? Casa to the Nanchibre.
Just a question. Do we have to like write down all the names? Like A and
Alright. Which me churo Nanchinini. Many people say, hey, Abuabe. Which me churo said, hey, Nanchinini.
So we have to write that.
Ani. Yeah. Nanchinini. Jata. Nanchinini. Nanchibre. Impossible. Adinamwa. 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 Mo. Yes, I'm from. He didn't back on me. So it has another name which is and I say Okra. You see, so it has 3 different names in P. Mayanka, Adinamwa. Adinamwa. Okra. Jata. Find out soon. Which one is bigger? Jata ana Adinamwa. Jata son. Adinamwa swa. Jata son. Adinamwa swa. Mayanka, Jata son. Jata son. Mayanka, Jata son. Jata son. Jata son. Adinamwa swa. Adinamwa swa. Adinamwa swa. Muntie, Momoase. Muntie. My boss. But Odin design. Odin design.
What's your name?
Odin design. Trace. That's okay. Yes, brother. Professor, I want you to ask Ayawabe as your deputy teacher for the next 2 seconds. I said Ayawabe. Ayawabe. You have to let the person answer. So point at someone, you are deputy teacher. Point at someone and let them respond. You say Ayawabe, you ask them what kind of animal it is. Ayawabe. Mo, I had your trace. Mo, I had your junior. Mo, I had your. Hey, Okraman. Manka Okraman. 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 Enti Okraman so to be boom. Woo! Woo! Woo!
He's afraid of it. He's afraid of it.
You're afraid of my dog. Yeah, you're afraid of my dog. You're afraid of a little chihuahua. You're afraid of my chihuahua. You say he bites my blood off, but he didn't. All he does is just nibbles me.
Martin.
He's scared of a dog.
It's my impossible. So let's continue, but let's first do a review of what we've done so far. I know between I can't wait. Who can say what animal this is? We have women. Mo, I idea. When so I woman. Can I guess? Yeah.
Nanchanini.
Mo Nanchinini. When so I woman. Nanchibre. We are chi. Nanchibre. Nanchibre. Mo. When so ya woman.
Okra.
And you know, one more I idea. And I said, or okra, mo, and I said, mo, I idea. Where's your woman? Okra, mo, I idea. And if you do a good job and I say, why idea, I'm saying that you've really done something. Why idea? Why idea? Let's say it. Mo. Why idea? Mo. Why idea? Mo. Why idea? Ha. So mo is congratulations. So if you do a good job, we'll say mo. You'll say why idea? You've really done something. Ha. Very much. Where's the Yawabe? And I say a from. Right. When's the Abuabang? Abuabang? Mo apotro, can apotro. Mo apotro. Manga apotro. Mo Abrechi, Manka Abrechi. It means I say Abrechi. And I say Aponchi. 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 I didn't honestly yet. What noise does that animal make? Mo. I'll do it.
He does.
Where's the Abuabang? Where's the Abuabang? Oui. Adanko. Manka. Adanko. Mo. Opongo. Mo, my idea. Mo, my idea. My uncle. Let's go back. Abuabang. Jata. Abuabang.
Okra.
Anase. Mo. Abuabang. Mo. Abuabe. Mo. Abuabe. Mo. Abuabe. Mo. Anase. Mo. Abuabe. Mo. Abuabe. Mo. Abuabe. Adwama. Adwama.
Why is it different on that side?
You see, we are Asante Chi, we are Equapim Chi, we are Asante Chi. You see, Maminya and Shirasa Kakra. So Asante Chi is spoken by the Asante people. Nipadodona Namaka Asante, that there are more speakers of Asante. Equapim is so here, but Equapim is closer to where we are right now. You see, we Asante Chi, we Equapim Chi. It is every beer who said. Adama, what was it? Ogwanma, Ogwan. Again, book. Franco, Mo, Abuabe, Abuabe, Abuabe. I didn't know yet. What noise was it make? Oh! When I say Oboya, Oboya. Wait, so Adanko and I say Atrabwa. Atrabwa.
I don't like it.
No, Chamusi. Chamusi. Chamusi.
I got there.
So then you know what you back with Chi. So in Chi, both the hare and the rabbit have the same name, Adanko.
So can I just write hair and rabbit?
Aye, what do you got this time? Wait, so Abuabe, Ojain. And the way I say, almost say a papier over Ojain. Ojain, my God, Ojain. Send out Ojain Kasa. How does the Ojain speak? Mo. Where's our Abuabe? Apine. I didn't know so yet.
Does it make a noise?
Seriously? A bat?
Yeah, it makes like a really high pitched noise.
I know, yeah. Ago. Where's our Abuabe? We had a gold weight, like a chameleon gold weight, but I think someone must have played with it and taken it somewhere. Maybe I like that. Kwako is the most readily blinkable.
I wouldn't say that.
Abosamako tere. Abosamako tere. Abosamako tere. And I say Efrishiabwa. Efrishiabwa. And then they didn't know also yet. What sound does he make?
He doesn't make the noise.
I don't know them to make any sounds, but what are they known for?
They're how they blend in.
I was a sap.
They're camouflage.
I was a sap. What's the sap? That they changed their color. What's the sap? I ain't right. It's a sap. C'est ça, that they changed their color. Some of you are used to spelling color like this with a U. So, for those of you who spell it like that,
I spell it without the U, so.
without the U.
Who spells it with a U?
English, British English. And Ghana.
Yes.
Yeah. Where's our woman? Mo, Manka, Odenchem, Odenchem. I didn't know yet. What noise does Odenchem make?
Does it make a noise?
It do actually make
No, it becomes, it gets quiet.
It
so-
just
It do make noise.
snaps when it eats the
Yeah,
mouth.
we traveled somewhere and it was like this place and you'd see them like the crocodiles would come out of the water. Just see them like keep them away from me.
Did you grab the tail?
No, you got able to sit.
I held a baby alligator when I was in Kenya.
I sat on
but
an alligator.
I
You can sit on
didn't hear any noise. I just when he took the rubber band off the mouth and put it down, I just heard because of the teeth.
So let's do that one. Yeah. Okay, so Abuabe, Ofrote, and that's a Frotier. Where's Abuabe? Esono. I didn't know yet.
I've never heard anything like that. What they're saying. What they are.
Oh God, that's not an elephant. That's not an elephant.
What side of the elephant are you listening to? Where's Abuabe? Ajabwa, and I said, Akrantie, Maika, Akrantie. Wait, that they sell this on the side of the road.
Hey.
I've never seen a grass cutter.
No, maybe not.
I don't know what that is.
Oh yeah,
At the park.
Yeah, those like little things that have red
Do you mind some go?
Wait, go back.
Oh,
Viva. Abuabe. 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 And also, this one, let me give you another name for this one as well. Apontrene.
the frog.
Aye.
Frog is also.
I have to go back to frog. Okay.
Yeah.
Apontrene. That's also a Santipi. And this is two Apotro. There's Apontrene. So you need to know that one too. Apontrene.
Of course, when we were playing that game, you would just tell me what it was. So, of course, you know all of this.
Apontrene.
Okay, frog.
And you need to know these because later on we'll play a game where you'll need to know the name of the animal.
Is it the one I was playing?
Did we play that game in the car?
Yes, you did. And I didn't know a thing.
But now you'll know plenty things. That's why
Yeah,
I'm doing.
but you won't be saying things. You would just be describing it.
And there's the next page as well.
So
Yeah.
it's still different.
Hey, yeah.
You needed a copy.
Okay.
Could you describe it
Oh,
in
no.
English and then we say it in Tree?
Maybe.
Yeah.
That's better.
That would be much. Yes.
Abuabe. Wait. Abuabe. 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 Awaben.
Altering or playing or planting.
Mo. Awaben.
I'm fine.
Mo. Awaben. Afrishiabwa. Mo. Awaben. What's the Awaben? Mo. Where's the Awaben? Where's the Awaben? Anase. Sia. Sia. Awaben. Apese.
Sonic. He's a hedgehog.
He looks so cute.
Sonic's not cute.
I don't care
He's
about
fast.
Sonic. I'm talking about that.
He's fast. Not cute.
What is that?
Sonic.
P.
I'm just gonna call it
Oh,
I'm just naming the hedgehog Sonic.
Ago. Where's the Awaben?
The hippopotamus.
Ni P.
Susono.
Susono. Iti maisha.
You don't need to be bragging that you know everything.
We.
It's
Osono anase esono.
Oh, okay.
We.
Susono.
Susono. I think kita hunde na wo hun.
That's the only saying for that. Just
So, what relationship do you see between the word esono and susono?
the sono.
Sono. So what is now the su part?
Water. Is this
Water.
water?
Is
Right.
So what you're saying is basically like a water elephant, an elephant of the water. Susono. Mo.
Yes, I knew it.
Ah, not on assume. I'm a or assume now so on assume. I ask Susono a honor. Honor black, honor on 10 p. Mo pataku. And I say, Opui.
Why is it different if you say it in a different, like, if you say it in a different accent, it's like a different thing. You have to say it like that. Why?
It's like if you're speaking English, right? It's called a hyena. But what if somebody said, "Hey, ah!" You would look at them like they're crazy because they're not saying it right. It's like, no, it's just a hyena. Why aren't
Well,
you
who
saying it right?
says hyena like that?
That's a good point. That's what they would say if you don't say it right. They'd be like, who says it like that? Why aren't you saying it right? So the same way it sounds to you, if somebody sounds crazy, then they'd be like, why are you sounding crazy? Why don't you just say it right? Right? Hi! Ah! You're like, something wrong with you. What is you saying? Just say it right. Dang. So, Pataku, you gotta say it right. Otherwise, people look at you crazy like, what's wrong with you? Where's that woman? Osebo. And then, Osebo, so yeah, what noise does Osebo make?
It's a leopard.
And then, Pataku say it.
It's a leopard.
I don't have a problem. I don't have a problem. If you like to call it leopard, this is an English class. But
It's a leopard.
now, if you said leopard, then people would also say, what's wrong with you? Say it right. What's wrong with you?
It's spelled like leopard.
It's spelled like leopard, but you know that's not how it actually sounds. And then didn't Pataku so yet? What noise does Pataku also make?
Doesn't it laugh? It sounds like it's laughing.
Ago! 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 Where's our woman? Quatre. Et bien, ça prend au contraire. Et bien, ça au contraire. Donc, nous n'avons l'eau. Ah, ouais, That if you look well, sometimes there's one that climbs around the wall outside.
Yeah, out there.
Well,
Yeah,
we know.
in that place, there he leaves his like his boot.
Just like leaving. Just like leaving.
No, it's boot.
You see, Awabe, Awabe,
I might eat.
Adre, and I said,
If
F1, and I said, Control-F.
it says Edo.
Your laptop's touchscreen.
Adre, Adre, Adre,
How does it? But that clearly says Edo.
Adre, Adre,
How is it making that sound?
And then you can go.
Adre,
You should know.
Adre,
But how is it make? How does
Adre,
make that sound?
Adre. So each one has its own sound. So Adre, Adre. So in English, if you see an O and an E together, it's just like do, right? But in P, each one you have to sound it out, right? So it's not like do or anything like that. It's Adre, Adre, Adre. So P works different from English. Everyone knows that P is different from English, right? That's why they have different names. Aha, and then they didn't know it. What sound does he make? What?
I saw that at the market and I saw that at the restaurant. And I called it a rat. And then I tried to make it better said flat fat rat 5 times faster.
You got Mo Mayanka
Flat fat rat.
Ekra Mayanka Ekra. I didn't know also yet. What noises does it make?
I've never heard a mouse make a noise. I saw the first.
You've never heard anything.
I saw for the first time like 2 weeks ago.
Where's our boy?
Nini.
Enini. The being so from Unini now, so near I bet. Enini, Mayanka, Enini. Enini.
Are those fat ones that choke you to death?
That's not
Enini.
Please stop it.
It's a python. And what it does is it squeezes you so hard that it's not your breathing, it's actually your heart that stops. It stops the heart
How does it stop the heart?
because your blood doesn't have enough pressure to keep flowing. So it'll squeeze until the heart can't push the blood up to your brain or anything
So it
else.
doesn't like suffocate you?
It's not suffocation. It's the heart that stops. And then once the heart stops, then it goes for the rest of you. Because people used to think that what it's doing is suffocating your lungs, but it's not doing the lungs. What happens is it causes the heart to stop because it can't pump the blood anymore. Nini? Where's our boy?
That's a rat.
Okusie. Manka okusie. 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 I didn't know so yet. What noise does it make?
But I don't want to get near one.
Very funny.
Where's the word? Tin be? This one has long names. Yeah, my bad.
You don't have to run What?
Yeah, you're bragging.
No, no.
Yes, you are. She's like,
Is it? My bad. Mo nyang chre. Where's all? Onyame koto. The word okoto is crab, so onyame koto is like the creator, the supreme being's crab. And I said, Hanchre. What? Only. I didn't know you. I didn't know you. I.
The
Or
bigger the
did it
scorpion is, the less poison.
Well, I had you.
The bigger the scorpion.
The bigger the scorpion, the less poison it has when it stabs.
Where's the bye? Mwah. Mwah. Mwah.
People eat those.
What people from? Well, if you can't buy none of the brave who I wanted, when we first came here, there was a whole bunch of them around outside.
Yes, after it rains.
Right.
That's how I know you eat snails. Because your uncle eats snails. He doesn't.
No, it's cool.
Do you like them? Do you like them? You like them? You like them?
Most of the things on the list, there are people who eat them somewhere.
Spiders. I know people who eat spiders. I've never heard of anybody that eats snakes.
Where's the bye? Walk, Lanka.
Snakes.
Walk.
You are lying. You taking a snake for real?
I go.
You've never had crabs?
delicious.
And this is the thing. Some things that one person thinks is disgusting, somebody else thinks is delicious. Some things that you may think are delicious, somebody else thinks is disgusting.
It's meaty.
That's nasty.
No, it's not. It's
Why would you eat a snake? It's poisonous.
No, it's not. Not every snake's poisonous.
I go.
Which type of snake? A rat
A walk.
or
A walk.
Inside.
or a cobra?
So this one is just a general name for any snake, but different snakes have their own names. So primary is cobra. We already learned in Nini before. Different names. Different snakes have different names.
Spider.
Bamiabu.
People eat spiders though.
Anansi. I go. This is the one who all the stories are named after. Anansi. Anansi.
Nancy the spider.
Anansi.
A Nancy.
Anansi.
You just said a Nancy.
See, no, you pronounced it wrong. It's Anansi.
Anansi. So the R is high. I go. Anansi is so famous that some people call him different things in the Caribbean. In the Caribbean, they call him Aunt Nancy. Aunt Nancy.
Nancy.
He's a boy.
So they have
Boy.
I know.
He's a boy.
So this is the thing that I'm telling you, that you have different places where people pronounce it different ways, but in P, which is where his name comes from, it's Anansi. Let's say
So it came from God,
Anansi.
right?
Yes.
I've never.
Anansi.
Really
He's always said it like I'm not.
Anansi. So it's different places, especially in Jamaica and other places.
My mom is from the Caribbean.
Right. But there are different islands in the
Yeah, he
Caribbean.
doesn't say Aunt Nancy. She says Aunt Nancy.
Right. And then plus she's lived in Ghana and she knows how it's supposed to be pronounced. But in places like Jamaica, they have stories in different islands, different things are said.
And they all come. They all.
Anansi.
Anansi.
And then they do that also, yeah. What noises does Anansi make?
Nothing.
Or the scorpion.
There are some spiders that make noises.
Some spiders dance to get their own name. I saw a video and he was spider dancing.
I want to be a child.
It wasn't dancing like that.
Ababeng. Opro. 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 Menga opro. 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 Aguaben. 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 Aguaben.
Jata.
Aguaben. 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 Ofrotie, anase ofrotie. Ofrotie, anase ofrotie. Aguaben. 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 Efo. Aguaben. 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 Okusie. Aguaben. Mo. Aguaben. 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 Anansi. Aguaben. Mo. These are the last two animals, then we're on to our birds.
Wow, you better have my whole book filled up with trees.
Yay! 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 Aguaben. Ono dia wa.
Such so close. That says tortoise.
A tortoise is different from a turtle. Turtles like water, usually live in the water. Tortoise tend to be on land. This is grass. Grass casting.
Let's sell it.
You should sell it? Oh! It's not over here. What is scandal? Atitidia. 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 It is like a chitirano. It's like it's all tied up inside of the shell. Atitidia. Aguaben. Sakramai.
Wait, what was Pataku hyena, right?
Hyena. Sakramai. So Asante tree is on the left, Equapim tree is on the right.
So Asante tree called Pataku, and then here the other tree called it.
Yeah, Equapim tree. Equapim tree. So Asante tree is on the left. For the most part in this class we'll be focusing on Asante tree. But this is just so that if you hear it another way, you're not like, what in the world is that? That you'll know that that's also there. Ago! Ago! Ago!
These are birds.
You see, I think they are Noma. Noma.
You don't have to write them.
Noma bang. Kanafo. Kanafo.
Every single
Wait, I have to write those down.
Yes.
Your hand is kind of worn out.
We have to write these too, right?
Your hand is kind of worn out. You knew you were coming to school. You should have done your hand exercises. You should have been doing this. You should have been doing this. You should have been doing that. You should have been doing this. You should have been doing that. You should have been doing this.
He wrote 1 hour, I think. Alright.
Okay, so hold on. Before we go to birds, let's do an intermission.
What time is it? What time?
Mo fa wanya mo to.
What time is it?
It is 10:26. Abonon do apawsima do no nsia.
We still got an hour.
Yeah.
Be quiet because you don't have to write. That's how you say it. Yeah.
I'm also churo.
Yeah. Get your paper out and write.
Yeah, when you know him. Eja Kwame, Nana Kwame say, Mon sorry. Nana Kwame say, Mon sorry. Nana Kwame say. Nana Kwame say, Montanas. Nana Kwame say, Mon sorry. Nana Kwame say, Mon Sam. Nana Kwame say, Mama Monsaso. Nana Kwame say, Montanas. Nana Kwame say, Mama Monsam. Nana Kwame say, Monsore. Montanas. Nana Kwame,
Oh, I guess it didn't count because you didn't tell them. You gotta tell them.
oh, I finna own him. Now they
They're
know.
new.
They know?
They're new.
Did you sit down?
I'm just
Yes.
Sit down.
Nana Kwame say, Mama Monsam. Mama Monsaso.
What's good?
One soldier's own car, he said, "We yeah."
And not made it down. Nana Kwame say, Mama Monsam. Nana Kwame say, Mama Monsaso. Nana Kwame say, Monkoto. Madame Nana. Nana Kwame say, Monsore. Monkoto.
Hey, bye, Mama. I'm on my egg.
Nana Kwame say, Monkoto.
I'm feeling good.
Wait, y'all not out?
Nana Kwame say, Monsore. Nana Kwame say, Treme, Momoma.
Oh. What?
Now we're learning anatomy.
Okay,
Everyone's gonna be looking at Amma. Nana Kwame say, Treme Weni.
What do you think, Junior?
What? Too on?
No.
Nana Kwame say, Treme Wafono. Nana Kwame say, Treme Womoma. Nana Kwame say, Treme Woshene. Nana Kwame say, Treme Wano. Nana Kwame say, Treme Woti. Nana Kwame say, Treme Wometi. Nana Kwame say, Treme Wonkotoje. Nana Kwame say, Treme Wonanswa. Nana Kwame say, Treme Woti. Nana Kwame say, Treme Wometi. Nana Kwame say, Treme Wokotoje. Nana Kwame say, Treme Wonanswa. Nana Kwame say, Treme Woti. Nana Kwame say, Treme Wometi. Nana Kwame say, Treme Wokotoje. Nana Kwame say, Treme Wonanswa. Nana Kwame say, Treme Woti. Wometi. Nana Kwame say, Treme Wometi. Nana Kwame say, Mohri. 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 Mohri.
You are.
Stay down. We did it. Good listening.
Always get him with that one. What's it, my chimo?
You were going like that.
I caught you. My chimo. My chimo.
I'm already out.
You got out too?
How many people do we have left?
Four.
How is he still
We got
in?
about 9.
Because he's copying. I didn't know these words. You're just looking at people and copying.
Nana Kwame say,
Words do I?
Treme Jata. Nana Kwame say, Treme Jata.
He's out.
Mo.
Technology's gonna get out.
Because you stopped pointing to your eyes and then you were pointing to your cheeks and then when everybody saw you were slowly walking over.
Nana Kwame say, Treme Adanko. Mo.
Come on, Chi. Come on, Junior.
Nana Kwame say, Treme
Junior won this thing.
Esono.
He's gonna win. I
Mo.
admit.
I don't know
He
because
probably
I was on her A game.
But she.
Nana Kwame say, Treme Okramai. Mo.
Hey, y'all banging that wall with your fingers. Oh, wait, there's a whiteboard right there.
Really?
Really?
Oh, I love doggies. And Junior's afraid of one, so Junior.
What kind of dog are you afraid of?
He's afraid
Nana
of
Kwame say,
I hate
Treme
chihuahuas.
He's afraid of a little puppy one.
Wati.
He's furious.
Nana Kwame say, Treme
He will run.
Oponko.
Mama's head is in the way.
Nana Kwame say, Treme Ojain. Nana Kwame say,
Wait,
Treme
I thought
Apain.
she was out. Wasn't she out?
No.
Yeah, I think you
Because
was
when
out.
you were, because weren't you like this and then they were like, she.
I said to
No,
show me
she
your
was
head
out.
and you showed me
You
a
did a
frog.
few seconds. She got.
I said show me your head and you showed me a frog. So next time I will know a frog is your head or your head is a frog. Nana Kwame say, Treme
Come on,
Apata.
Junior, come on.
Nana Kwame say, Treme
You got away with it.
Pataku.
I was always winning. I don't know.
Good job, Mom. Come on, Junior. What are you thinking? What are you thinking?
I told you we need this for the game. So if I say Pataku and you show me Susono. Nana Kwame say, I'm sorry.
Yes, please, everyone.
This is a rematch.
Have I ever won this game? No. Yes, I have. I won once.
I remember us when the seats were here and we were there. I remember like yesterday.
Can I just be a watcher like you?
Wait, do we sit down or not?
Nana Kwame say, I'm sorry.
I want to watch. It's weird. I want to watch.
Out! You're out! You're out! You've been late! You did not get up! You're out!
You're automatically out.
That's because y'all were talking when you should be listening. This is a listening game. It's a listening game.
Listening game.
Nana Kwame say,
I'ma sit here.
Monhuri. Nana Kwame say, Monhuri. Kwaku sorry. Kwaku brad. What's the Abraham?
No, you're in the game.
I'm watching.
Nana Kwame say, Monhuri. Nana Kwame say, Mama Monsaso. Nana Kwame say, Monchreme Woti. Nana Kwame say, Chreme Wometi. Nana Kwame say, Chreme Womkotoge. Nana Kwame say, Chreme Wonanswa.
The little girl's out. Skylar, you have to sit down.
Nana Kwame say, Montanas. Now I promise say.
Watching you.
Now I promise say Monsore.
Cause you be cheating.
Now I promise say Montanasi. Now I promise say Monsore. Now I promise say Montanasi. Now I promise say Monsore. Now I promise say Montanasi. Now I promise say Monsore. Now I promise say Monsore.
Sit down. You out. You out.
I put it for Now I promise say Monsore. Montanasi.
Sit down. See, you've been now and you didn't put yourself out again.
I'm not. I should have.
Wait, I didn't want to take you down.
Now I promise say Monsaso. Now I promise say Monsam. Now I promise say Monsaso. Now I promise say Monsam. Now I promise say Monsaso. Now I promise say Monsam. Now I promise say Monsaso. Now I promise say Monsam. Now I promise say Monsaso. Now I promise say Monsam. Now I promise say Monsaso. Now I promise say Monsaso.
I felt like you
I saw Malvin
and cheese.
I didn't do it. I did this.
I can't do this. Who's that?
It's him,
No,
her.
he's
And
out.
her. Almost. Wait, she's out?
No.
Yes.
She's
She's out.
unlike you.
So we have 4 people left, right?
What can
Yeah.
for you?
Please don't start this. Be nice to them. Be nice.
Nana Kwame say, Monchreme, Osebo,
What?
Osebo,
That's the Leo part. Hey, sit on your
Osebo, Mo, Nana Kwame say, Monchreme, Apese,
Yo, you got it.
Aye.
I was sleeping on the sheets.
You want to?
Nana Kwame say, Monchreme, Odenjam, I can't be back. 3 people left.
Where's your shoes, Junior?
Nana Kwame say, Monchreme, Okotre, Mo, Nana Kwame say, Monchreme,
What's her nini?
Amiao. Nana Kwame say, Monchreme, Ajinamwa. Nana Kwame say, Monchreme, Akra. Nana Kwame say, Monchreme, Nanjinini. Nana Kwame say, Monchreme, Okramai.
Don't keep it on there.
Nana Kwame say, Monchreme, Ofrote. Nana Kwame say, Monchreme, Afrantie. Nana Kwame say, Monchreme, Pataku.
Oh my God! You guys just give up.
Nana Kwame say, Monchreme, Osebo.
I don't say it's like
Monchreme, Esono.
You push my hand
Did
out.
he say?
Nana Kwame,
I knew that was gonna get that. Nobody won. Nobody won.
Nana Kwame say, Montanasi,
Nobody won. I told him to do that. Look what you did.
So we have a 3-way tie.
Mommy's Mommy's boy.
Kanafu.
What's the time?
Forget.
Abo
No, it's 10.
abo no ndu akaosima aduanan baako.
10:41.
Anase akasima dunkron na abo no ndu baako. Anapa du baako. Oh, nyabotre. Nyabotre.
Stop sticking your picture in my face.
He's trying to stick
Kanafo.
his face in my face.
We are bobbing.
Akoko.
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 Akoko menka. Akoko.
Akoko.
Akoko. Say na akoko so kasa.
It's too far.
Yeah. Oh, thank you. That's better. Way better.
It's not too close.
Akoko. Say na akoko kasa.
What about the first word?
We did that before the break. Kanafo.
We did? That's right.
You had to write it. That's when y'all said it. Oh, we gotta go already with the bird. My hand is hurting.
I didn't say that. I didn't say it.
Mensaje mía. Mensaje mía. Hey, mi choro, mensaje mía. Where's the on my bang?
It says a rooster slash a cop. People call it a cop.
In Ghana, most people call it a cock than a rooster. British speakers call it a cock. US speakers call it a rooster. A cock.
You guys.
Esther, don't think of anything. Stop.
Stop laughing. No, it's you. You don't think.
Wait. Go back. Okay, thank you. I missed so much. So.
How do you say wait, and cheese? Change. Y'all should know that from what I say. Because I'll tell you moon chain, and then you keep walking and then you're out.
Oh. That's not very nice.
I am back.
Okay, you can.
I know y'all sit here.
You can go now.
You have to rush to the
I'm done.
No way, I'm not done.
Wait,
She's
no.
not done.
Why more per? We did like 58
One trousseau.
pages already.
One trousseau.
Even though I only no, we did actually like.
I did one page.
100.
And I started in the middle.
I've done like 2 pages
And I
already.
did from here and now.
I did like 1 page and a quarter. I'm trying not to do it. Hey, King.
I'm done.
King,
I'm
try
done.
and less space with your hand.
Come with.
Does your Naruto work?
You made
it worse already. I don't want
Like that could be a transparent girl.
I go.
This is
Where's the on my bag?
Abronoma. Double.
Double.
So I don't have to put the banana shantae tree right in there.
Let's do the left side.
Okay.
Unless I tell you to do both. Where's the on my bag? I'm bro coco and I said double. You're from double if you say on to say double. Double.
You know
Double.
I'm going from. It is funny.
Where's the on my bag? I come can.
Are they from Guinea? Are they from
They used to call West Africa Guinea, which is why they call to this day you have Guinea-Bissau, you have Guinea-Conakry, you have Equatorial Guinea, because they used to call West Africa in general.
But you
Guinea.
can get Guinea pigs in America. That's not West.
You can get guinea pigs in America.
So why do they call them Guinea if it's not West? Why do they call them Guinea?
Because they call it the name of where it comes from. It's
So
like
you
you
can
can have.
get guinea pigs here? I want a guinea pig.
Feel free.
Where do you get guinea pigs?
I don't get guinea pigs. You're the one who wants guinea pigs. You gotta figure it out.
I'm done.
Because they're so cute. They're small like a pet. Or do they have big guinea pigs?
Are you really looking to get one?
Yes, I want to get it.
So tell Nana Ras. Nana will say, like ya.
Oh, but he don't know where it is.
He may have the hookup on the guinea pig.
But the guinea pigs like in America, right? The small ones.
The big, huge ones bigger than you that can eat you
No,
alive.
I don't want a guinea pig. I want a little guinea pig. I want a hamster. Do they sell hamsters here? Can I have a hamster? Hey, I want a hamster.
Okay, we'll bring one to class tomorrow. So then you can have your hamster.
I gotta get a hamster first. You won't even be here tomorrow. I have to make it next week.
Ago! Ah, no matter. Ako ko bre, ana sa ako ko bidye. Ago! 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 Ano ba ba? Ako ko bidye. Ano ba ba? Crab kum, ana sa kro kro.
I'm still in Turkey. I'm still doing it. Do you eat turkey? Yeah. You do? You eat turkey? You do? I mean, I thought she got fish, but I thought she got chicken. I don't eat chicken. Only sometimes.
Sometimes counts.
Okay, I eat it sometimes.
I don't eat hogs except when I'm hungry and then I eat it all the time.
No, I
They
don't eat.
count.
I barely eat chicken. It's because my mom likes to eat chicken, and I would taste it, she would eat it. But I don't like it anymore.
How don't you like it anymore?
I don't like it. It's not in my taste bud system. So.
Ago! 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 Wala na mabay.
Ako.
Ichi. Ako.
Would you please zoom in a little bit?
Which one are you on? Turkey. She's on turkeys. Hey, that's my notebook.
That's yours? Oh.
You got the why would you actually get a puppy one? You should have got the other one. I feel like it's girl. No.
Send na. Ako kasa. Ago! 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 Send na ako kasa. Send na ako.
Hello. They talk.
So give me an example.
It's not a boy because he looks. Look, you don't see right here. If that's a girl, boy.
If they don't speak
boys
English, they
don't
speak
look like
T.
that.
It's at the side. At the side. Ayak. 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 Go. Bye, baby. See, on my bag.
That's not
On my
like
bag.
I've never heard of it.
Hey, I'm on my bag.
Oh, Sansa.
I'm on my.
Are you writing?
Hey, I'm on my bag.
Right.
Yeah, I know my bad.
You go home and practice.
I'm the one page I want to I'm going to page I want to one from.
Next Tuesday.
You didn't have his hands up. The people with their hands up, you didn't.
I'm
like,
Papa Daddy. Papa Daddy. Papa. And I said, Anine. And I said, Papa Daddy.
Well, how come the crows have a white?
What?
How come the crows have a white?
There's an Anansi story that I'll share with you about why they have that. I said there's an Anansi story about why they have that I'll share with you on another day. But since you asked, remind me of it, and I'll tell you the reason why they have it.
Okay, so can you tell me now?
No, I said on another day.
There's a bird called a kite.
A what?
That's the reason why they have what you fly that is called a kite because it's named after the bird.
It's in Ghana.
I've seen it.
All these birds might be.
Is it a rare bird?
That's my favorite bird right there.
Eagles are in Ghana.
Wait on my bag.
Are eagles in Ghana?
All Americans.
Accordion.
Yes, they are.
Accordion.
Eagles.
Say no, Casa.
They like mouses. So how you say it? They like They like
Wait on my bag. Osansa.
Is it No. Right. It's in your hair.
Uncle Obama, I've already done too much and I've written like.
I'm on my third page.
So then, when your parents ask you, did you learn anything in G class, you can say, look at all I wrote. Look at Moonshot.
My daddy said I have to practice everything I learn when I come. No, for an hour I have to be looking at this. Practicing.
You should have him help you because he speaks G. Not everyone has a follow speech.
Yeah, the tree class is tree.
Wait, what?
He's gonna help
What are you trying to say? What? You said not everybody.
Everybody has a
You also have a parent who speaks G, so you should also have him help you.
No, but you can't pitch me though. Yes, I can. They don't know theory.
I know a little bit.
So I'm saying that when you take your lessons home, then you should ask your father or your mother, whoever speaks G in your family, or any neighbors or any cousins or whoever to help you. Well, my baby. Akroma.
Please, no.
Wait on my baby. Yo, pataku. Bo, opetio. Opetio ya mama, kweku, kan?
Wait, I can't see.
Opetio.
I can't see.
Opetio.
I can't see.
Kagu she. Kagu.
You'll have your turn.
Kagu.
Stop.
I look like she.
Opetio.
It was on your shirt, so I was just looking at it.
Oh, you're looking at it on my shirt.
Yeah. You see?
I should use this as a screen.
Because I'm on Sparrow.
I
Talking bad. Talking bad.
What's up? Where on my bang?
What did you just A sparrow can talk like a parrot.
It just makes a lot of noise. That's what I call it. Akasanoma.
Owls creeping out.
This is also what they call radios. There was
Cause
a
they be like,
Avo. There was a brand of radio called Akasanoma because they had a radio called Akasanoma because it was like the bird is always talking. So as soon as you turn it on, so they call it Akasanoma.
I'm hooking you on a race. No, you made it do.
There you go.
No, that's it.
That's it.
This is the last page. I know that you are so sad that you are done writing. I know you're so sad.
No, zoom. I really get seen now.
Mommy's boy.
We're on my lane.
Wait, excuse me. Is that one word? The sound is asofomanakatia.
Asomfanakatekie. Asomfanakatekie.
Katakia is a nice.
It's gonna be last word.
Asomfanakatekie.
Asofomanakatia.
Katatie is the one who covers your back.
Opete.
Do it. Opete.
We're on my lane. Opete. And I said opete. Opete. Those who speak Tree, which one do you call it?
Opete.
Yeah, either one is right. You can either call opete or opete. Ordinary is midnight. We're on my lane.
What? I'm finished.
From anybody's book.
Nana Kwame say.
Momo Sasso.
No, don't get that man. You need a copy.
Nana Kwame say, mon sorry. Nana Kwame say, I'm sorry. Nana Kwame say, I'm sorry.
Wait, so why make it English? Because I don't know how to use this word.
Well, that's why we're doing it so that you can learn it. You'll see when people sit down, and then that will tell you to ask.
I'll just copy people for now.
But be listening as you're copying. That's how you
You think
learn.
I know these
What if
words?
you get into people and then
You
she
think
be
I
trying
know
to
these
trick
words?
people. She be trying to trick people.
Yeah,
She'll be like,
she'll do some sacrifice just so that way you.
Nana Kwame say, mon sorry.
oh, you're out. You
So
are
Trace, that
sitting
means you
down.
just learned a word. I said, mon sorry. That means sorry is.
I was
out.
She
Nana Kwame say, mon tenacity.
I don't know what the was out.
Yes.
She was out.
She didn't sit.
She didn't sit when you said sit. She was just standing up. No, you didn't.
Oh.
Nana Kwame say, mon sorry.
That makes our chances way easier.
Nana Kwame say, mon tenacity. Nana Kwame say, mon sorry. Nana Kwame say, mon tenacity. Nana Kwame say, mon sorry. Mon tenacity.
Oh yeah, she been out.
Nana Kwame say, Momo Monsam. Nana Kwame say, Momo Monsaso. Nana Kwame say, Momo Monsam. You're learning, right? Nana Kwame say, Momo Monsaso. Nana Kwame say, Momo Monsam. Momo Monsaso. Nana Kwame say, Moncham Honsia. Nana Kwame say, Monsa.
What? Dance. Wait, what is that?
That's dancing.
No.
Nana Kwame say, Montanas.
Get out! Let me see.
Oh, yeah.
What?
Mon sorry. Nana Kwame say mo huri. Nana Kwame say mo huri. Nana Kwame say mo huri.
You're out.
Mo huri.
You were out.
Nana Kwame say mo nchire me opete.
Wait, this boy is out.
Junior.
This boy is out.
My only children out.
He got out when we got out.
Light is bad for your
No,
eyes.
stop.
Get still.
Nana Kwame say mo nchire me opete.
No, that's all back. Move. You're out. Junior, you're out.
Nana Kwame say mo nchire me
Stop.
Papa Dabi.
Move your head. You're out. Junior, you're out. Sit down. You're out. Every time you get out. Junior, you're out. Sit down.
Nana Kwame say Ago.
Amen.
Nana Kwame say chire me Apple.
Junior, you're out. You must this one first. He must this one first.
Aka nipa bẹẹnu. Babra. What
is it? It's yours. It's a microphone.
Nana Kwame say mo nkyerɛ me akɔnfɛm. Nana Kwame say mo nkyerɛ me mo mama.
What? He's out. You did like this. Oh. Yeah. I'm not out. You're not out. I'm not out. It was a close call. I'm not out. Okay.
Nana Kwame say mo nkyerɛ me krabus.
It's yours.
Nana Kwame say mo nkyerɛ me mo hyene.
He's not out.
Okay.
Nana Kwame say mo nkyerɛ me mo mama. Nana Kwame say mo nkyerɛ me atitidiɛ. Nana Kwame say mo nkyerɛ me anansi. Nana Kwame say mo nkyerɛ me mono. Nana Kwame say mo nkyerɛ me mo. Nana Kwame say mo nkyerɛ me.
Microphone for you.
Wait, no! Who's doing that?
Nana Kwame say mo nkyerɛ me ɔfɔno.
Hey, cat. I hate cats.
It's out.
I'm not He's out as well. No! You're out.
Ago. So now we're going to learn parts of the body.
Okay,
Nana Kwame say mo nkyerɛ me. So the people who know it will help those who don't know it. Look at the people who know it around you.
What time is it?
Don't do back or pound semen no.
What's that time? Anybody know?
It's 11:05. Just look on it. Nobody understands what you say for her.
No, I'm hungry.
Nana Kwame say, Mom, sorry.
Move me around.
Sorry.
Stop trying. King, what's that? King, who is it for? King, you trying to stop. Who's is that?
Nana Kwame say, Mom, tell me, Mama.
Oh, he's up.
No, you're out. You're both out.
I'm out. Oh no.
Montreme, Moshene. Keep learning, look at the people who know. Nana Kwame say, Montreme, Moni.
Wait, he was pointing at his nose. It was nose.
Last one was a nose.
And I put eyes. You put eyes. That's what made me think.
The blind leading the blind to the eyes when we're talking about nose. Nana Kwame say,
First. Gosh.
Montreme, Wafono.
Somebody's thinking.
Let me see. Who is it? Home.
Nana Kwame say, Montreme,
It's yours?
Abodie.
Yeah. No.
Yeah.
Nana Kwame say, Montreme,
It's very long.
Ason.
Usually they're heavy.
Ason. Nana Kwame say, Montreme, Mometri. Montreme, Moisson.
My mom said she gonna give me a hug.
Hey, she's out.
That's only two.
And she's out.
Nana Kwame say, Montreme, Moyam. Nana Kwame say, Montreme, Mosre. Nana Kwame say, Montreme, Monkotodje. Nana Kwame say, Montreme, Monanswa. Nana Kwame say, Montreme, Mosre. Montreme, Monanswa. Nana Kwame say, Montreme, Wachi.
He's out.
Nana Kwame say, Montreme, Momama. Montreme, Wachi.
He's out.
I'm not out.
You're out.
Menkanshi, Nana Kwame, Menkanshi. Nana Kwame say, Montreme, Mokoko.
Out.
What is it? Your chest.
Chereme Oyam.
Out. I'm out.
Chereme Oyam.
But she took it off of here. Doesn't that count? Yes. It doesn't.
You have 3 points to
He was
something else.
about to.
But I haven't given instruction for you to follow yet. Nana Kwame say, Montreme, Wapampam.
That's the top of your head, right? But isn't this T?
The whole thing is with
So when you say T, you
Nobody's
supposed to be like
coming
this?
here.
You can.
Uncle Lovato, since it's like 21
Yes,
more
get
minutes,
it.
this is like it's having a really big impact on. I'm hungry. Okay.
Akasema duana. Chereme Watiko.
I had a waffle for breakfast.
I'm out. You're out.
Watiko.
You said
I had a waffle yesterday
Chairman.
with the vanilla.
He didn't say that Kwame said.
I don't have time for
He didn't say that Kwame said. He said Chairman to go.
Oh, this was
I thought I said Nana Kwame say.
saying I drank mango tea. He
Any
said
one
I
more.
drank mango tea.
Nana Kwame say, Montreme,
Mango tea.
Because I drank a mango snack one. He was like, it's
Chereme Wasi.
from wine tea.
Well,
I
sick.
was like, no, it's not.
Touch your nose.
Chereme Oshene.
Shouldn't.
My zippers.
Nana Kwame say, Chereme Oshene. Nana Kwame say, Chereme Wasi. Chereme Oshene. Nana Kwame say, Chereme Oyam. Chereme Oshene.
I don't want to put it in the food.
Why don't you move up there, Junior?
Nana Kwame say, Chereme Nkotodje. Nana Kwame say, Chereme Oshene.
Move up there.
Nana Kwame say, Chereme Wafono.
Move.
Nana Kwame say, Chereme Wapampam. Nana Kwame say, Chereme Watiko.
Oh, they're out. Out.
Both of you are out.
Oh, yeah.
That's a tie.
Wait, Alma got out. Alma got out.
That's
I'm
it.
monkey right now. Think about it.
Ẹ kọ́ mi. Is everyone hungry? Who can tell me how to say I'm hungry in P?
I'm going to